Hello, kindergarten students. Today we're working on lesson 72, practicing letter formation. So we're going to practice writing our letters today. This is the state standard for Tennessee, and it says that we're supposed to be able to print many upper and lowercase letters. So you're definitely going to need something to write with today and to write on. So you need to get paper and pencil, or if you have a dry erase board and marker, you could use that. And there's also going to be some extra letter formation practice materials that you'll hear about later in the lesson. So we're going to start and we're just going to review our letters. We're going to review just the vowels today. So we're going to say the name of the letter, the name of the picture, and the sound of the letter. U, umbrella, Say them with me. E, egg, eh. O, octopus, ah. A, apple, ah. I, igloo, I. We're also going to review our word wall today. So let's read these words together. Am, at, and, are. Come, do, go, get, he, I, is. Like, look, my, me, put. See, she, the, to, they. Up, we, was. We're going to make a match today. Let's read the first word in our list and then figure out which picture it matches to. Z, I, p. Zip. Do you see it? There it is. Let's read the second word here. T. All right, you go ahead and point. Which picture is it going to be? Did you get it? Hut. And the last word, sound it out. That's right, hug. Now we have some sentences to read. I'll let you look at this sentence. See if you can read it before I start. All right, I may not have given you enough time, but let's start over and read it together. They like to put the pop up. You have a picture of some drinks up there. You can call different sodas and Cokes, you can call them pop. So this sentence, I'll read it a little bit faster. Read it with me one more time. They like to put the pop up. Now we have one more sentence to practice. I'm going to sound out this word together. Pug. Pug. Do you know what a pug is? It's like it's a type of dog. My pug has fun in the pen. So today, like I said, we're going to practice making letters. You can make the shape of a letter and you can check to see if your letter looks right. So we're going to practice making good letters. The first letter we're going to make is an H. To make a lowercase h, you're going to pull down, go up, curve, and down. So your turn to practice. You can look at the H on the screen, pause the video, and practice making good letter H's. All right, when you're ready for the next letter, hopefully you've got the video going again. You're ready to make a lowercase b. You pull down, up, curve around in a circle. That's how you make lowercase b. So your turn, I'll go back. Make some B's And then pause the video while you make your B's and get it going again when you're ready for the next letter. The next letter is lowercase t. To make a T, you pull down and cross in the middle. So you can go ahead and make some T's on your paper. Pause the video while you make some T's. And then when you're ready, let's get started again. Now we're going to make a K. To make a K, you pull down and then you slant in the middle until you touch and slant out to the floor. All right, make some K's. Next, we're going to make lowercase p. To make P, pull down from the middle and make a tail, make a circle around. Pull down from the middle and make a tail and make a circle around. All right, practice making some letter P's. Here are some ideas for practicing your letters that might be a little more fun. You can trace sandpaper letters. You can write letters in salt, or you can write letters in sand. You can trace letters on letter laminated cards with a dry erase marker. You can write letters on paper with a crayon. You can make rainbow letters on newsprint. So your parents or somebody from your house can write a letter in pencil and place some black dots on it with a marker, and then you can take turns writing with different colors, different colored crayons to practice the letters. There's also sidewalk chalk and shaving cream. So those are some good ideas that might be fun for you to practice writing your letters. So I have a few questions for you before we start to wrap up our phonics lesson today. What do you notice about these letters? H, T, and B. Can you compare and contrast those letters? So some things that you may have noticed, and maybe you can pause the video and say these out loud. So go ahead and pause the video and answer those questions about what do you notice about these letters. All right, when you're ready to answer, notice that they're all tall letters. And another thing that is the same is that you pull down on every one of these letters to make them. Some things you might have noticed that are different. H has a hump, T has a cross, none of the other letters have a cross, and B has a circle. All right, the last thing we're gonna do is read our poem together. Today's poem is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. And there's a picture of a big fat hen. So your task with this poem is to go back and to find the number words, because I know that you worked on number words in an earlier phonics lesson. So let's see if you can find the number 4. Look for it, point to it. All right, did you find 4? There it is. All right, I've got another question for you. Find the number 2. Did you find it? Right here. T-W-O spells 2. One more number for you to find, and then I'm going to ask you to spell it. Find the number 1. Oh, that part was easy. Now, spell the number 1. How do you spell it? O-N-E. Have a great day.